HSPDP.
Meghalaya TMC President Charles Pingrove has sought to end all speculations about TMC MLAs joining the Congress, saying that there is no indication of any such move, making it clear that as TMC President, he has not received any feelers from any other political parties for him or his MLAs to jump ship. Further, he said, "We are not gone. We will revive. It is definitely an uphill task, but we are working towards it." Talking about the upcoming Gambagre by-poll, he said the party is yet to discuss about putting up a candidate from there.
No one has approached me. No one has approached me.
Any such feelers from any?
No one so far. No. I mean, I can truthfully say that I have not been approached by any political party to join or merge with them or support them.